Oh yeah, sorry about that, guys. Okay, welcome to Sharkbite. I'm restarting Sharkbite. Oh, looks like I'm in lobby. If y'all have any other Roblox game which y'all would like to recommend me, please do. Okay, cause I'm playing Sharkbite because it seems fun and I have an aim. Why does everything look different? The people are dead. They're ghosts. They're all ghosts. How is his ship in there? Am I glitching? Am I the only person here who's like actually glitching? I'm gonna jump on this guy's boat. What is happening to the boat? This boat is going places. Okay. I'll just join this guy. Oh! Wow. Oh yeah, guys, remember the last time I said I wanted some bazooka? Yeah, I managed to buy it here. Ooh, boats. There, here. Rocket, sorry, not bazooka, rocket. Nice, look at this. Hey. Hey. Wait, why am I down there? How did I get off the boat? Uh-oh, this is bad. Hey. Hi. Oh, is that your air? Help. Pull out the bazooka, boy. Oh, I'm driving? Okay, let's go then. Okay. Nice. Oh, look at that guy. Look at him, boy. Oh, wait, crew member lost. I saw him get off. Come in. Come back in. Bro, what's your problem, man? They all just jumping off. Oh, oh, wow, this is awesome. Oh, it was awesome for some time. Oh man, that ship was rad. Oh, that was awesome. I kind of enjoyed being in that thing. Can I like use that telescopy? Oh, that's where I died. That's where I died. That's where I died. Where are the shower keys? Mm-hmm. Whoa. Where is he? Oh. Wait, I saw him. There. There. He's going. Going to there. Oh, got two. I think they're there. Oh, he's destroying it. He's taking it down. If I can take out my weapon, he would be in massive trouble now. They're both somewhere. Where could they be? I'm going down. Where were they? How did they hide so well? I'm gonna join that guy's boat. I'm just gonna join some people's boat. Trying to test out my new bazooka, so that's why I'm joining. I don't want to be a captain and drive it around. Swimming in the lagoon. Waterfall! Oh, did I die? Leoma. Come on, somebody invite me. This boat is perfect for, like, you know. I'm gonna invite just every single person. Well, looks like I gotta be the captain, though. It's a normal shark. Okay. Looks like I gotta be the new captain of the ship. Too bad. Now let's go. Oops, let's go away. Oh, this is called the patrol boat, right? But we're not doing patrolling, we're doing running. Oh man, why do people even pick this boat? It's useless, it can't even move. It's just the wind helping you out. Smash! Let's go for it. Okay, I'm gonna go hit the head with the shark. What just happened? Come on, sharky boy. Where is that shark? I'm gonna kill it. Oh, it's nighttime. Lights, cameras, action. Okay, I'm gonna go out. Oh, I think this is the best part in the whole game. Shark will never even notice. Well, unless I fall into the water, that is. Uh-oh. Can anybody see me? If he can see particles through the wall, he can obviously see me. Uh-oh, what just happened? The shark's here, I guess. I'm doomed. I gotta hide. Okay. Where's the shark? Yes, yes, I'm gonna survive. I'm gonna survive. Oh, oh, I survived right before he hit me. I think that should be put in a scene of Megalodon hiding with the bazooka from a shark. Okay, now what do I want to buy? That's the question. Can I afford anything? That's also a very big question. No. I think I'm gonna buy flippers. Oh, this is awesome. I ain't never gonna leave this boat. It's a SWAT boat. Nice, nice. I love this. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Actually, have I ever done an introduction in myself? Like, say who I am, where I'm from, you know? No, I've never. Yeah. I've never. Oof. The shark has been released. Oh, is that a megalodon? It's a megalodon, boy. Drive! Drive! Seriously, you care so much about your fellow members who just jump off? Okay, come on. Take a seat. And last, is his... Don't tell me he's hard. Oh! We're going under. We just... Oh! I think... Oh, top. He just said top. Why attacking that? Good. Now let's go. Let's see if we can find the megalodon. The guy just randomly. Oh, the shark! Fire! 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 Reload! Fire! Oof! He came straight at me. This Oh, I did hand action, but I can't. Oh, wait. Is that the bunny shark? That's the bunny shark. Nice. Hello, Sir Bunny. The buns a lot. Yeah, that was fun while it lasted. I had a feeling that this guy's floating. It's a hacker. I think I'm gonna title this best video I've made so far. Commit suicide. This boat actually belongs somewhere. It's supposed to be in here. Oh, the Megalodon actually is quite good. Sharks win. Okay. Oh, his head is missing. Okay, guys. I think the next video I'm going to do. That's my cousin. That's my cousin messaging me. Okay, let me just close up this unwanted stuff, and we can get to this. Oh, fine. I don't mind. The SWAT boat, baby. Oh, I just joined the SWAT. SWAT team, baby. Okay, now let's go. Sit down. I'm sitting down, right? Yeah. Reload. It's a normal shark. Okay, this is easy to kill. Well, it should be. Oh, that guy joined a fat ass boat. This boat is actually quite decent. This is like main aim for the shark. You know? Cause it's just big, it can't go anywhere. Like, fast. It can't go anywhere fast. Oh, that girl. Oh. Reload. And fire! Reload. Where did that sharky boy go? Hey bro, you gotta pick that boy up. Reload. I reloaded. Oh, I need to aim. They have cannonballs? Seriously? They fended off themselves against the shark. Uh oh. Reload. 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 Wow, we are fending off against the shark. And why is this guy just... Oh! He got us into trouble. R. Reload. Shoot. R. Looks like we're not going to click on R, but we're going to click on RIP. Well, looks like we are on our own. Are we like in World War, you know, where people shoot against each other? What is he shooting at? Hmm. This is very sus. Sus. The shark is sus. Where did the shark go? Okay, I'm gonna shoot with my left hand. See whether my coordination is good. So now I can move about freely. Oh! I see the shark. I see the shark. Better get back in there, SWAT team. Ah, reload. Bang, bang, baby. Reload. That's the best thing you can get. For the money, it's really worthy, this thing, actually. Yay! We've killed the shark. We killed it. We killed the shark. Oh, so many survivors. We killed it. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. And please subscribe. And I'll do a live stream the next time. Yeah, I think the next time I'll do a live stream. So yeah, goodbye. Yeah, okay.